Hello there. Today's topic is all about eclipses. Eclipses are fascinating astronomical events that have captivated human beings for centuries. In this video, we will delve into what eclipses are, the different types of eclipses, and why they are so important. What are eclipses? An eclipse occurs when one celestial body passes in front of another, blocking its light. In the case of a solar eclipse, the moon passes between the sun and Earth, casting a shadow on Earth. During a lunar eclipse, the Earth passes between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the moon. Solar eclipses can only occur during a new moon phase when the moon is between the sun and Earth. The moon's shadow has two parts: the umbra, which is the darkest part of the shadow where the sun is completely blocked, and the penumbra, which is the lighter part of the shadow where the sun is only partially blocked. The path of the moon's shadow on Earth is called the path of totality, and it is only visible from a specific location on Earth. Lunar eclipses can only occur during a full moon phase when the Earth is between the sun and the moon. The Earth's shadow also has two parts: the umbra, where the sun is completely blocked, and the penumbra, where the sun is partially blocked. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon appears reddish-orange because the Earth's atmosphere refracts sunlight, bending it around the Earth and giving the moon its reddish hue. Eclipses are truly incredible events that have fascinated humans for thousands of years. They remind us of our place in the universe and the amazing celestial dances that occur around us every day. Types of eclipses. Total solar eclipse. This is a rare and spectacular event where the moon completely blocks the sun, leaving only a halo of light called the corona visible. During a total solar eclipse, the sky becomes dark, the temperature drops, and the stars can be seen in the daytime. It's an incredible experience that only lasts a few minutes, and it can only be seen from a narrow path on Earth. This path of totality is usually only a few hundred kilometers wide and moves across the Earth's surface. Partial solar eclipse. This type of eclipse is more common than a total solar eclipse and occurs when the moon only partially blocks the sun, leaving a crescent shape visible. A partial solar eclipse can be seen from a larger area on Earth but is still only visible from certain locations. Annular solar eclipse. This type of solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes in front of the sun, but does not completely cover it. This creates a ring of light, called an annulus, around the moon. During an annular solar eclipse, the sun appears as a bright ring around the moon. This type of eclipse is also rare and can only be seen from certain locations on Earth. Total lunar eclipse. During a total lunar eclipse, the Earth completely blocks the sun's light from reaching the moon, causing the moon to appear reddish-orange in color. This is often called a blood moon and is a beautiful sight to behold. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon may also appear larger than usual due to an effect called the moon illusion. Partial lunar eclipse. This type of eclipse occurs when only part of the moon passes through the Earth's shadow, causing only a portion of the moon to appear darkened. This type of eclipse is less dramatic than a total lunar eclipse but is still a fascinating event to observe. Penumbral lunar eclipse. This is the least noticeable type of eclipse, where the moon passes through the Earth's outer shadow, causing a subtle darkening of the moon. During a penumbral lunar eclipse, the moon may appear slightly darker but is still mostly visible. Each type of eclipse is unique and offers a different viewing experience. Total solar eclipses are rare and spectacular, while lunar eclipses are more common but still offer a beautiful show. Whether you're able to witness an eclipse in person or through photos and videos, they are truly awe-inspiring events. Why are eclipses important? Scientific research. Eclipses provide scientists with a unique opportunity to study the sun, moon, and Earth in ways that are not possible under normal conditions. For example, during a solar eclipse, scientists can study the sun's corona, which is usually invisible due to the brightness of the sun. Lunar eclipses provide scientists with an opportunity to study the composition of the Moon's surface and the Earth's atmosphere. Cultural significance: eclipses have been important events in many cultures throughout history. They have been the subject of myths, legends, and religious beliefs. In some cultures, eclipses are considered to be a sign of impending doom, while in others, they are seen as a symbol of renewal and rebirth. Educational value: eclipses offer a unique opportunity for students to learn about astronomy and the workings of the universe. They provide a hands-on experience that can help students to understand complex scientific concepts in a tangible way. Tourism: eclipses also draw tourists from around the world to witness these rare and awe-inspiring events. People travel from far and wide to experience a total solar eclipse, for example, and the economic benefits of eclipse tourism can be significant. Inspiration: eclipses have inspired artists, poets, and writers for centuries. They offer a sense of wonder and awe that can stimulate creativity and inspire people to think about the mysteries of the universe. In summary, eclipses are important events that have scientific, cultural, educational, and inspirational significance. They provide a unique opportunity to study the workings of the universe, learn about different cultures, and inspire people to think about the wonders of the cosmos. Conclusion: eclipses are one of the most fascinating and awe-inspiring events that occur in our solar system. They offer a unique opportunity to witness the beauty and power of the universe, and they provide scientists with valuable insights into the workings of our planet, moon, and sun. Eclipses have also been important cultural events throughout history, inspiring artists, writers, and poets to create works that explore the mysteries of the universe. Whether you are a scientist, student, or simply someone who appreciates the wonders of the cosmos, eclipses offer something for everyone. They remind us of our place in the universe and the incredible natural phenomena that occur all around us. So the next time an eclipse occurs, be sure to take a moment to witness this incredible event and appreciate the majesty of the universe.